Hello viewers, welcome in a new session, and in this session we are going for some basic settings in MS Project. Before we go to put the main task in MS Project, we need to look at a couple of very important things that you are always going to need to consider when you are using MS Project. And the first of these is project information. On the project tab, you can see in the properties group, there is the option project information. And if you click on this button, and it brings up a dialog, okay, the project information dialog. Now, right at the top, we have a project start. It might well be that you really want to set a start in the past because hopefully you're planning your project for some times in the future. But whether it's the past or the future, it is absolutely fundamentally important that you set the start date correctly. Let's click on the drop down here. Use the date picker. You can choose any date from previous dates, or you can choose the current date. However, that's not the only sort of project scheduling requirement, and if you just go down a couple of controls to there, you find one that says schedule from project start. Okay, it's mean do the scheduling from a start date and get finished as quickly as possible. But if you click on drop down, so you can see there is an other option. Okay, the other option is project finish date. If you choose this option, so your objective is not to start now and finish as soon as possible, but to start as late as possible with the objective of finishing all by a particular date. Okay, let's suppose you are planning for a project, house project, and you supposing that at work you were just planning for meetings and some other things, but your objective would be to finish by a certain date, not to start on a certain date. Okay, most of the time on this course we are going to use scheduling from start. Okay, scheduling from start date, but remember, the scheduling to a project end date is equally valid. Okay, if I choose project finish date, watch what happens. Look, now I will enter project finish date, and I will just in this situation I will just enter project finish date, not the start date. Okay, you can see start date is now not active right now. Project will tell me the when I need to start. So if I choose a first option, that one is a project start. If I choose project start date, so project finish date will be automatically updated. Okay, now let's look at the couple of other fields on the project information dialog. At the right side in the top, you can see it's a current date option. The second one is the status date, and the third one is very important. You can see that one is a calendar. A project will have a calendar, and by default it's use what's called standard. Okay, standard calendar. You can have a number of calendars associated with a project. Okay, calendar list contains the three basic calendars that are included with project. First one is a 24 hours calendar, so it's mean three shifts. And second one is night shift. Okay, late night shift schedule of Monday night through Saturday morning 11 p.m. to 8 p.m. with a 1 hour break each day. So last option is standard. Okay, these traditional working days and weeks, Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. with a 1 hour break each day. And below calendar you can see there is a project priority. And this is used when different projects might be competing for resources that are available, and a project priority will determine what priority it gets in claiming and using those resources. At the bottom, you can see we have access to help, and we also access our for statistics. If you click on it, so you can see over there. Okay, now I'm just going to click on OK, and again I need to click on project information. So okay, now next what I will do, I will even let me tell you something. Even you can change, you can custom the field names over there. Okay, and after choosing the start date or previous date, so we will click on OK to save this information. Thank you so much for watching this video. So we are going for further basic options in next session. Okay, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos. See you in next video.